Every trader has watched a textbook head and shoulders break down, only to reverse and stop them out. Chart patterns describe structure, but they do not measure conviction. Today, we layer indicators on top of patterns to separate the real moves from the traps. We will cover volume, momentum, volatility, and trend filters, and finish with a worked example on real price action. Think of a chart pattern as an accusation. The price says a breakout is happening. But in court, an accusation needs corroborating witnesses. Volume is the eyewitness, momentum is the motive, volatility is the weapon, and trend is the prior record. One witness can lie. 3 independent witnesses telling the same story is Confluence, and Confluence is what turns a setup from a guess into a trade. Classic Dow theory says volume must confirm price. On a valid breakout from a triangle or rectangle, on balance volume should break its own trend line before or with price. If price punches through resistance but OBV stays flat, distribution is masking the move. The math is simple. OBV adds volume on up days and subtracts it on down days, exposing whether smart money is actually accumulating or just letting retail mark the tape higher. RSI confirms the energy behind a pattern. On a double bottom, the second low in price should print a higher low in RSI. That positive divergence means selling pressure is exhausting even though price retested the floor. The opposite applies at double tops. Without divergence, the pattern is just 2 touches on a line with nothing fueling the reversal. Patterns like ascending triangles and pennants are compression structures. Bollinger Bands and the squeeze indicator quantify that compression. When bandwidth contracts to the lowest reading in 6 months and then expands on the breakout candle, you have mathematical proof that volatility is reigniting. A breakout without band expansion is usually a fake-out that mean reverts within 2 or 3 bars. Continuation patterns like flags and cup and handle need a healthy parent trend. ADX above 25 tells you the prior move had real directional strength, so the consolidation is likely a pause, not a top. If ADX is below 20 during the pattern formation, you are trading a range pretending to be a continuation. That is where most flag breakouts fail. Here is an ascending triangle on a synthetic chart. Resistance sits at 100, with rising support. The trigger is a close above 100 on volume, at least 1.5 times the 20-day average. Entry is on the retest of the breakout level, which is now support. Stop goes below the last swing low inside the triangle. The signal fails if price closes back below the breakout line within 3 bars, which usually coincides with OBV rolling over. For a high probability setup, demand at least 3 of 4 filters: volume expansion, momentum confirmation or divergence, volatility expansion out of a squeeze, and trend alignment with ADX or a rising moving average. If only one filter agrees, skip the trade. If all 4 agree, size up within your risk plan. This is how professionals turn a 55% pattern into a 65% edge. Look at Apple on the daily time frame. Notice the consolidation patterns and how they resolve. The valid breakouts coincide with volume expansion, RSI pushing above 60, and price reclaiming the rising 50-day moving average. The fakeouts, by contrast, occur on declining volume with RSI rolling over near 50. Same chart, same patterns, completely different probabilities once you read the indicators. Indicators lag. By the time MACD confirms a head and shoulders neckline break, you may be 20% into the measured move. Whipsaws are common in low-volume sessions and around earnings. And Confluence can become curve-fitting if you keep adding indicators until one finally agrees. Pick your filters in advance, write them down, and do not negotiate with the chart in real time. Tomorrow, scan for a clean pattern, then run the 4-filter checklist: volume, momentum, volatility, and trend. Only trade when at least 3 align. Mark your invalidation before entry, not after. Patterns give you the map, indicators give you the weather report, and risk management gets you home. This is education, not financial advice. Trade your own plan, and I will see you in the next one. If this helped, do me a favor. Hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video.